Hello, everybody. So today we are going to look at Bluetooth man in the middle attack uh, tool called BtleJuice Framework. As we know that in Kali Linux, this Bluetooth as well as Blues is installed by default. Users have to install the Node.js only. So here is my Node.js, right? So sudo apt get install npm and Node.js. You have to install that way. And so after if you follow along over here, right, so we get to install it, right? And after that, so I'm using my main host as uh, a virtual proxy. So here are the steps, right? So basically what I did was for HCI config, then do sudo HCI config. So this should be done in virtual machine. So I didn't do it. So after that, use the Beetle proxy. So here is my Beetle proxy has been started. After here, the problem was I could not do so. If I do Beetle proxy over here, I get and this kind of error, right? So basically, what we need to do is to downgrade our npm version. So for that, you have to use this command sudo npm install downgrade the version number. So after that, you have to use this sudo n for that number of version of npm, so it needs to be 8.9.0 version. After you have done that, so if you check this, you will get this kind of error again, right? So now you can install the bluetooth HCI socket. So on shift permission means you don't have to give a sudo permission. Still, I gave it, and this is how installation looks like. So if we try to do that again, right, so we get an error again. So for that to solve, what we need to do is to remove the BtleJuice and try to install. So basically we are installing with the current version BtleJuice, right? And we have to remove that, right? So npm remove g for that package name, right? And the package name was BtleJuice. As well as after you have done that, so install it again without the sudo permission, right? After that, you can use npm without BtleJuice without any error. So did I miss something over here? So after that, after doing that, right, so let me show you on that. Let me do that again. So let me just show you how it's done, right? So after doing that, right, after downgrading and installing that, then use sudo, then beetle, okay, BtleJuice, then use proxy 192.168.1. so that would be my this machine IP address. Client disconnected, that's fine. So if I do if config, right, so I'm using this and use w. So let me just start here, beetle proxy. Let's do enter. So it's listening, right? And we are here. Let's do install. It has been successfully connected. So we can open this, right? How we can do is let's do localhost port 8080. So here we have the interface. So it's similar like this. And right now, okay, so here maybe one device, so it's too far. Let's try it and let's wait for it. Okay, that didn't work. Start interception. So whatever they are sending packet, it should come like this over here. Thank you guys.